you're live. Welcome to the world. Where are you, Denise?
I'm waiting to go on the Staton Island ferry.
Oh, no.
We were on the subway going somewhere completely different and just sat on there and came to the end of the line by mistake. So we thought we'd do it again, being as we're here and it's free.
Let's go and have a look at the Statue of Liberty. It's a little bit cloudy today. We took the wrong turn and so we ended up down here, so we thought we'd do the Staten Island ferry again. So you can see over there. You might be able to see it because I'm going through two windows. There she is. Where is she? Hello Andrew, morning Jan. Hiya Uffa. Kerry's watching. Hey. Morning Andrew, how you doing? Thought we'd gone back to France. Well, the next ferry is going to be in, what time? We've got 15 minutes. So we're just going to do the Staten Island run and then back up to Wall Street, see the Bull. Just have a little wander up to the World Trade Center again, just to see what it's like all in bloom, because Bryant Park and Central Park is absolutely amazing compared with Christmas time, when all there's no bloom on it. Morning Andy, how you doing? I'm making you seasick. I'm not even on the boat yet, Jan.
That's because you're wobbling.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to keep it as still as I can. I'm zoomed right in.
Get your tripod out, Keith.
Can you go live at the World Trade Center? I'm not sure if we can get Wi-Fi there. I may be able to. But if I can do, I will do. Because it's quite good round there. I like it round there. There's a nice guy playing a cello in this terminal. There's a nice guy playing a cello in this terminal. Oh, here's my on-the-spot reporter, Miss DDAD. And what did you say? What have we got to say this morning, Miss DDAD? What have you been up to? Where did you go last night, for instance?
We went to the New York Yankees game. That was really exciting.
Yeah, what did you do there then?
To do. Sat and ate.
Yeah. And were we down at the ground near the bottom, near all the players and everything?
No, we were up in the gods, but actually that was a lot better. And we were right near the bit where they're doing the pitching and the.
Oh yeah, the pitching. What? Oh yeah. This chap here, he's been very
We're going to the theatre tonight.
Oh.
Hopefully we're going to go and see Hello Dolly.
Hello Dolly.
Hello Dolly.
Ah. So this is what it's like inside the terminal. You're probably, people who've been to New York or all have been in there before, because doing the Staten Island ferry is a must-do type of thing. So it's quite a nice new building. It's only been there a few years, I think.
I shall find out for you.
Oh, there we go. he's a really helpful guy, this guy. Feel good show. Bernadette Peters is playing the lead now. Well, we were outside the Tonys, by the way, Andrew, and it was quite amazing to see the walkway, the red carpet walkway, and every single rose was put on that back wall by hand. There must have been tens of thousands of roses what all these people put on there just for the celebrities just to walk past and probably didn't even notice. So, but yeah, we didn't see, well, I didn't see anybody I recognised. Morning, Trick Bits. How you doing?
Yes, I was on the Staton Island. I was actually on the Staten Island. You could see the Twin Towers. You could see both of them just there.
Oh, here comes our ferry.
He stood there
There it is.
the Twin Towers.
Really?
And I live on Staten Island now. But,
He's live on.
You're live to our friends.
He's always.
I've just been telling them how helpful you've been this morning.
I was a police officer for 25 years. I retired 8 years ago. But I was right on the shore of Staten Island when it happened.
Really?
I was driving my sergeant. He came down the steps of the precinct and said, the World Trade Center has just been hit by a plane. So I'm saying, like, you know, could a small plane have just hit? Like, you know, like
Yeah.
the old days when one hit the Empire State Building.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm thinking. So we drove right down 100 yards. We're sitting there in the car looking at it, and another plane flew over our head, and we looked at each other like, yeah, it looks pretty high up. And sure enough, it was going to, and it just crashed right in, and we saw that.
It's like something out of a movie,
Then we
wasn't it?
knew.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. We couldn't hear it. I'd almost think you would have heard the explosion from more, but a couple of miles away. But we saw the big yellow flash, and then, you know, and
God,
then everything
that
was
was
all.
Unbelievable.
And then that was the beginning of.
That was horrendous watching it on the television.
I really thought, like, I shouldn't say, but I mean, you know,
Yeah,
so many firemen from Staten
Yeah.
Island who lived on Staten Island
Yeah.
passed away. So many people left. I really thought it was going to be like 50 guys. If that building was loaded with people during the middle of the day,
Yeah.
it was like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, and I would have still thought there would be thousands more.
Do you still think there's questions asked, need answering though? Like building number 7 and stuff? How that went straight
Are you
down?
going to have me on tape on a conspiracy
No,
theory?
yeah.
I'm voicing my opinion.
I just think
can't
there's
say- can't
yeah,
say what
there's a
I
lot of
think. I
strange
can't,
things.
Nah, you know,
He's not allowed to say.
No, no,
I hear a
no.
lot of different stories.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
Well,
Anyway, thank you very much.
Then you're welcome.
Thank you. Very nice to meet
All
you.
right, you too.
Wow. How good was that? Anyway, our ferry's just about docking now. Where's the statue? There it is again. So, right then, missus, let's go.
Great day.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Oh, we're now going to start, I don't know how long the Wi-Fi will last in there. But we'll, what an interesting guy that was. He watched the Twin Towers going down. This guy's good. Here comes the ferry. Thanks, Andrew. Right then, missus, we'll say bye. Say
I
bye.
do believe you keep the Wi-Fi a little bit when you get onto the boat, if
Do
I
you?
remember rightly. Yeah,
Get you.
you know, DDAD. I know a lot.
You want to say bye then?
Bye bye for now. I'll hand you back to my on-the-spot report.
And this is the end of the little bulletin. Bye-bye.
From Fox News.
From Fox News.